The police officer accused of killing the newspaper seller Ian Tomlinson has admitted hitting him with a baton and pushing him because he thought he was deliberately obstructing the police. Constable Simon Harwood was today giving evidence at his trial where he denies a charge of manslaughter. Mr Tomlinson died during the G20 protests in central London 3 years ago. Ronke Phillips has more.
Holding his wife's hand and looking composed, PC Simon Harwood was one of the first people to arrive at Southwark Crown Court this morning. But it was late afternoon before the officer was called onto the stand to give evidence in his own defence. Facing the jury and just yards from the dead man's family, PC Harwood described the moments leading up to the interaction between him and Ian Tomlinson. The footage of the incident, which has been shown to the jury several times, shows PC Harwood wearing a balaclava and a helmet, stood with a group of dog handlers and officers in riot gear. Ian Tomlinson is facing away from the group when PC Harwood is seen hitting him with his baton and then pushing him to the ground. PC Harwood said he heard colleagues shouting at Mr Tomlinson to go back. At the time, I found he was obstructing us, he said, and not allowing us to achieve our objective. The officer then admitted that he pushed Mr Tomlinson. He said, "I pushed him firmly. I was surprised when he fell because I didn't push him that hard." Earlier, the jury was read statements made by PC Harwood before he was charged. In the first statement PC Harwood gave to the Independent Police Complaints Commission when he was under caution but not under arrest, he described the way he dealt with Ian Tomlinson as necessary, reasonable and proportionate. Ian Tomlinson's widow Julia, stepson Paul King and other members of the family listened intently as the officer gave his evidence. PC Harwood, who's from Carshalton in Surrey, is accused of manslaughter, which he denies on the grounds that he used reasonable force. Ronke Phillips, London Tonight, Southwark Crown Court.
Police expect